Welcome to Master Pega YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to access Pega 7 PostgreSQL database with pgAdmin 4. For purpose of this educational video, we are using Pega Platform Personal Edition version 7.4. Pega Platform Personal Edition already has PostgreSQL pgAdmin 4 installed. If you are not using Pega Personal Edition, you may need to download and install PostgreSQL pgAdmin 4 in your computer. In description we have added a video link for how to download and install pgAdmin 4 in Windows OS. To access PostgreSQL with pgAdmin 4, first of all start your Pega Personal Edition server. This will start Tomcat server and PostgreSQL database server. Now go to installation directory of Pega. You will see pgSQL folder. On opening this folder you will find pgAdmin 4 folder. Start pgAdmin4.exe file. Once pgAdmin will start. On left hand side find servers. Right click servers. Click create and then click server. A new window will pop up. Enter any name to this server. Then click on connections tab. Enter host name or IP address, port number, username and password of the server you want to connect. Here I am connecting on localhost. Database port number is what you have configured while Pega installation. Default database port is 5432 and username password both are Postgres. Click save to finish the setup. Now on left hand side, click on servers. Expand server you just configured. Now expand databases. It will show database name Postgres. Expand Postgres. It will show component of Postgres database. On expanding schema, you can find rules and data schema. Expand rules schema and then expand tables. It will show list of tables in rules schema. Similarly you see tables in data schema. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please like, comment, share and subscribe.